Cough.
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 Cough can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, cough can mean 1. To push air from the lungs in a quick, noisy explosion. 2. To force something out of the throat or lungs by coughing. 3. To make a noise like a cough. As a noun, cough can mean 1. A sudden, usually noisy expulsion of air from the lungs, often involuntary. 2. A condition that causes one to cough, a tendency to cough. 3. Used to focus attention on a following utterance, often a euphemism or an attribution of blame.
Sometimes you cough them up and it's awful.